Here we are then, back again. The compressor's just charged itself up, so we got 5 minutes of peace. Right, now, if you're new to this lot of videos I've been putting up, we are rebuilding this engine after it blew the end off the gearbox. We don't know why it blew the end off the gearbox, but we do know it did a whole poo load of damage. Now, as I'm doing this as a basket case, this is a video designed to give a little bit of help to people doing basket cases. Imagine this lot just turned up in a bag and you don't know where anything goes. Well, because I am an old people and I stripped this down in November, it's nearly April now, I've forgotten where it all goes. So I'm using our good friends Fowler's motorbike parts to rebuild this bike engine. Now, I'm trying to assemble a clutch basket. Wait, don't you go out on me. I'm trying to assemble the clutch basket to see if it's going to clear this fresh weld. Now, what the problem I got now is there's a choice of two shims, and I don't know which shim is which. So the first thing you do is you go check the part number to see if it's two different part numbers. In this case, it's the same part number. It's the same shim. But as you can see, one of these is pretty damn ugly. Now, if it was two different shims, you'd have to work out which is the proper location. So what you'd kind of do is you'd have a look at the markings and see if the markings correspond to anything. Now this one's a different case, so we'll go with this at the moment. So this one, no, actually it's this one, isn't it? Yeah, this one, it looks fine. Now when we look at it, we've got quite a thick ring there, which kind of corresponds with the inner bearing race. We've got a kind of ring on the other side. Now, we've got a, I don't know if you can pick this up on the camera, we've got a kind of outer ring right out there, look, which happens to correspond with that. So in my guesstimation, that is the way that that washer was sat, that shim even. So we'll just drop that back on there a minute, out the way. We can put that on there, because this is where we're going to be getting the problem. Now this one, ooh, is causing a bit of concern. Look at that marking. Can you see the way that's really marked out bad there? And then there's all this horrible discoloration. Well, I'm going to run with... Well, that's funny actually, because if you have a look at that there, that's nice and clean and shiny there where my thumb is, and the rest of it's black. And then that's all clean and shiny, and that bit there, roughly corresponded with my thumb, is black. So I would say that one went like that. And because this shaft was snapped off, it was probably just jangling around in there. So before the final build, I'm going to go and try and clean that one up. If I can't clean that up, I should just buy a new one. But right now, what we're concerned with is clearance against that welding. It's looking good to me. I can't hear anything. I'll take it off in a minute, see if there's any aluminium swarf anywhere. So, we have got, like I said before, there's a shiny bit, oh, where are you? There's a shiny bit just there, look. And there's a dirty bit just there, which makes me think that was there like that. Which makes me say that goes on there like that. And that goes on there like that. Now I feel kind of... yeah, I'm pleased with that. That's just perfect, as Alan Milliard would say. That's got quite a lot of drag in it, actually. Oh, I know why. It's because it's pressing on the floor there, isn't it? Let's lift that up a bit higher. Oh, it's rubbing on the desk. Rubbing on the top there. Right. That pretty much concludes me putting the gear bag in just to see if all the bits are right and it all works. And I'm fairly confident that it does. So, it's a bit early for beer. Let's go see if we got any fizzy lemonade in the fridge. Later.